Did you know that this salt can change the world? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how this salt can turn into rain. But let's address the issues first on why there is a need to use the salt. Lack of water is mainly caused by drought. According to World Health Organization, drought is a prolonged dry period in the natural climate cycle that can occur anywhere in the world. However, for some regions that have high evaporation rate and low rainfall, lack of water is always present. And of course, lack of water can affect the agricultural production. For example, Iran and UAE have an extremely hot weather that you can cook an egg under the heat of the sun, and where rainfall is so limited that growing crops is near to impossible. However, these countries were able to use technology to make artificial rain, and this process is called cloud seeding. It has three methods, namely static, dynamic, and hygroscopic. Static cloud seeding uses silver iodide to attract the water particles in the atmosphere to form a cloud. Furthermore, dynamic cloud seeding induces vertical air currents to force the water into the atmosphere, resulting to cloud formation. While hygroscopic method utilizes salt to initiate the precipitation formation with an initial droplet size into a mass of clouds. The use of this technology has just been recently adopted in the Philippines, where it was first used to fill the Angat Dam following a long period with no rain. Here are the evidence of cloud seeding operation. In the Philippines, cloud seeding operations had a success rate of 90.4% with 4,265 bags or 109,125 kilograms of total cloud seeding salt used in the operations. And in the UAE, annual surface rainfall increased about 23% using hygroscopic method. This percentage affected 72% of area cover in their country. Now, let's look at the pros and cons of cloud seeding. These are the advantages of cloud seeding. Cloud seeding that uses chemical substances can effectively increase rainfall, and with controlled rainfall, it can improve agricultural productivity that will expand agricultural economy. Also, rainfall caused by cloud seeding can rejuvenate dry land that is essential for arid regions, and since it is man-made, it can regulate atmospheric conditions such as preventing formation of fog. And lastly, the constant rainfall will successfully combat drought or dry spells, which is the argument of this video. Now for the drawbacks of cloud seeding. Cloud seeding operations are potentially toxic due to silver iodide, but scientists are already working on eco-friendly substances to use as a substitute. Second, it is expensive since resources needed and procedures make this cloud seeding to be costly. Therefore, it is for emergency uses only. Third, it is highly dependent on clouds. Without clouds, cloud seeding operations are impossible. And finally, unpredictable weather patterns are most likely to happen. If cloud seeding is not performed correctly, it can cause flooding to the area. To conclude, water is significant in every aspect, but mostly it is used for agricultural practices such as for irrigation. And agriculture is greatly affected by drought, one of the harshest effects of climate change. Therefore, it is necessary to conduct cloud seeding for those affected regions and see how this artificial rain can create miracles.